Hello, YouTube sphere. This is Rex coming at you. It's my YouTube channel. Very new. I just want to show you the microphone I will be using to start recording all of the videos I will be uploading from home, or in a central location where I can hook up the mic. Came yesterday from Best Buy. It's a nice and beautiful morning here in north central Arizona. Perfect day. A little after 10 a.m. Let's see. Anyway, so I got my coffee, second cup, joining it out of my nice Back to the Future 2 mug I bought at Hobby Lobby. I had to take the first one back because it had a chip on the rim, and they were very nice. So here we go. I already opened the box itself, the outer box, and I just put tape there. So I gotta hold the phone and my cup of coffee at the same time. Okay, here we go. That's the mic I'll be using just at home, and eventually when I get a new phone, on mobile, I'll be using a newer iPhone. Do this one-handed. As you can see, it's got a loose plastic bag around it. Easy to open. And my patriotic knife that I'll be using was a gift from my brother. Constitution. I love it. It's very sharp. Okay. Shift this over. Got the box. Alright. So this is the blue microphone from YETI. They gave us a microphone articulating arm stand that attaches to my desk soon. And I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second, so bear with me to get this plastic off. I need to get something attached to my body so I can have two free hands. Well, maybe I can do it. Hold on. And I'm ambidextrous too. If those out there know what that means. Oh, that was my alert. So it actually just turned 10 o'clock. I got ahead of myself in time. Gotta go back to the future. Dump the plastic on the floor. Alright, now I'm gonna stand up. Here's the box. The side, of course. Okay, I think that's the back. Well, could be either or, I guess. Let's see. I do this one-handed. could tell the anticipation is building for those out there watching. I think I'm gonna hold my phone in my teeth. I'm just gonna cut the darn thing. There we go. Too much cardboard. Sorry for the camera shake. Stuck in there. Alright, I'm breaking out the knife again. Not the scratching. And there we go. A brand new blue YETI microphone. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Or leave a comment, subscribe, like, leave a comment. I'll answer any questions, details about it, because I haven't even read it myself. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Here's the front.